Do you have foggy and yellowed out headlights? Are you having trouble seeing at night because of your worn out headlights? Then you will want to try the Headlight Restoration Kit by ODX. The ODX Headlight Restoration Kit comes with everything you need to restore your headlights like new. The kit comes with a protective glove, 2 dry cloths, 2 wipe cloths to remove oxidation, 1 for each headlight, and finally the UV protective coating wipe. Here are the proper steps in restoring your headlights with the ODX Headlight Restoration Kit. Make sure your headlights are clean and dry. Put on the supplied protective glove. Using the first headlight cleaner labeled Step 1, wipe the headlight with a firm pressure. You will see the oxidation begin to lift onto the cleaning wipe. Using the dry cloth, wipe the headlight completely dry, removing all oxidation residue. Repeat the same process on the second headlight. Once both headlights have been cleaned, make sure that they are completely dry. The final step can only be done once the headlights are 100% dry. Apply the UV sealant protective coating labeled Step 2. Wipe the headlight surface in one direction, lightly overlapping each pass. Avoid contact with painted surfaces. One wipe will coat both headlights. Let the headlights dry for at least 30 minutes before exposing them to water or rain. Wait at least 2 days before washing or touching your vehicle's headlights. You have now restored your headlights back to new form and will be able to see clearly in the dark. Thank you for choosing ODX.